How to embed a YouTube video playlist to Wix. So for example, I found this playlist on YouTube and I added it to my Wix website. I'll be showing you how to quickly do that. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select Add Apps. After selecting Add Apps, you're going to tap on the search bar. And from there, you're just going to type in Wix Videos. So you're going to type in Wix Video and you're going to see the option Wix Video right here. And it is a completely free app to install. And you're just going to install the app. Once you have installed the app, as you can see right here, let me select it. After you have done that, you're just going to tap on Settings. Once you have selected Settings, you're going to tap on Manage Videos. After selecting Manage Videos, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, I want you to open up YouTube in a new tab. And from there, you're going to search for the name of the playlist that you would like to add. After you have found the playlist, you're going to select View Full Playlist. So for example, let's say I were to select this one. We're just going to tap on View Full Playlist. Then you're going to copy the playlist URL at the top. Go back into Wix. Then you're going to embed or paste in the playlist URL, better yet. Then you'll tap on Next. After doing that, you're going to tap on Add Feed. Once you have tapped on Add Feed, from there you can see it has been added. So now I have 2 playlists added. So all I'll need to do is close the pop-up box. Then after I've closed the pop-up box, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to tap on Videos. Then you're just going to select the playlist that you would like to add. After you have selected the playlist, you can change the layout by selecting Layout. So you have different options you can choose from, as you can see right there. You can also change the display features. You can also edit the player. So there are numerous options. You can make it autoplay on load. You can also change the design. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the X and you can see how it looks. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.